Leading local tonight, with the Omicron surge continuing in North Dakota, one local university is experiencing a record-breaking amount of cases. In January, Minot State University had over 250 COVID cases, the most at any time during the pandemic. Lauren Davis tells us how protocols have changed over the last 2 years.
On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, and many colleges and universities took action by having students wear masks and participate in virtual learning. Now, coming up on 2 years of being in a pandemic, things have changed. A junior says Minot State has been keeping up with the guidelines.
I think they're very lax with it. To an extent, I think they're being responsible, but also understanding that there are students here that don't want to wear masks and stuff. So if you got a vaccine, you're good.
The vice president of student affairs says even with the surge in cases, the university's COVID protocols will remain the same.
Basically, our professors have the authority to require masking in their classrooms, but at this time we don't have any plans to have a campus-wide mask mandate. It's really difficult when no one else in the community is doing it.
With contact tracing scaling back at the university, students, faculty, and staff are expected to self-report their positive test results. It's up to school officials to spread information, and Harmon says the university's communication has gotten better over the last few years.
I think the biggest change has probably been made in how we deliver classes to the students, and in many cases we can have a face-to-face presence as well as virtual.
Another junior agrees that communication has gotten better.
I think they're handling it pretty well, and they always send out like a weekly reminder of like events and stuff going on, and they always include information about COVID in there.
If a student tests positive for COVID or has been in close contact with someone that tested positive, they are given the option to take virtual classes. For KX News in Minot, I'm Lauren Davis.
Harmon says if students that test positive remain on campus, they isolate and are delivered meals daily.